Humingi po tayo ngayon ng pananaw mula sa isang legal expert sa nangyari ngayon sa Senado. Makakausap po natin si Attorney Michael Chu, Assistant Professor sa UP College of Law. Magandang gabi po, Attorney Chu.
Magandang gabi, Nina.
Attorney Chu, una gusto ko lang muna tanungin sa iyo. Nakita natin kanina yung nangyari sa Senado kung saan sinuot ng mga senador itong mga robes and it looked very solemn. No, ano po ang masasabi niyo diyan? Ito po ba ay parang masasabi niyo sa mga kritiko costume change lang 'yan. Pero deep inside meron pa ring mga nangingibabaw na political alliances.
You can say both kasi yung pagpapalit ng robe, pagsusuot ng robe does signal that they are acting in a different capacity. So kung maisip natin napaka-heated ng discussion for policy dito sa legislative work nila, as senator judges, they do have a different oath, still this consistent with their constitutional duties, but now to look at the evidence impartially and also to look out for the interest of the public, which is the point of impeachment. So there is some solemnity to it. I understand na laging nandiyan ang politika at ang kanilang alliances at partisanship. Pero for the longest time, parang may institutional din na epekto yung impeachment because they act in a different capacity. Pero nakikita nga natin throughout the years din lalong-lalo na in this impeachment na na-erode yung norms. So I also wouldn't put it past them na maging partisan.
At may mga ugong-unggo nga bago mag-convene ito nga Senado kanina na magkakaroon ng palitan sa Senate leadership. Pero hindi po ito nangyari. Masasabi niyo ba na mas stable pala ang Senado ngayon compared to what most people thought it was? And now, kahit papano, nagpapakita sila na kaya nilang gawin yung kanilang tungkulin para sa bayan.
I wouldn't say so. I think it's still a very volatile situation. I think tomorrow or the next few days, it can still happen na merong challenge to the leadership. In fact, nakita natin kanina na hindi natuloy ang pagboto doon sa majority leader, right? Si acting majority leader pa rin si Senator Villanueva. So I think there is still something at play in the background.
Oo, ayun nga, kasi nga dinala nga itong articles of impeachment sa Committee on Rules na siyang pinangungunahan, tama po ba, ni Senator Joel Villanueva?
That's right.
Ano po ang masasabi niyo dyan?
Yes, kasi ang Committee on Rules ang isa sa mga pinakamakapangyarihan na komite in any legislative body, in particular in the Senate, kasi siya yung nagde-determine ng maraming bagay tungkol sa procedure, also kung saan pupunta ang ganitong report, sinong komite ang mag-handle. And it could be the same here in impeachment. So kasi nakikita naman natin in the daily sessions, ang majority leader ang nagde-direct ng flow. That's different in the trial, pero the Committee on Rules also controls the making of the drafting of the rules of impeachment, which eventually will be approved by the entire body. So it's a very critical position.
Kine-question po ni Minority Leader Senator Tito Sotto ang komposisyon ng Committee on Rules. Tingin niyo daw po ba dapat muna pagbotohan ang mga miyembro nito?
Yes, kasi yung Committee on Rules, not only for impeachment, but for their legislative duties, kasi naka-proportional representation yan. No? Kaya importante kanina nagbilangan sila kung sino ang nasa majority at sino ang nasa minority kasi dapat parang yung komposisyon ng Committee on Rules parang naka-proportion sa kung gaano kadami yung kampo.
Opo. Sa tingin niyo po ba magiging mabilis ang pag-usad ng paglilitis o haharapin agad ng prosecution team itong procedural delays sa Senado?
It looks like ready na ang prosecution to proceed. And in fact, they've had, kasi yung articles of impeachment naman this time is not radically different from the articles of impeachment in 2024, 2025. So matagal na din silang handa based on the evidence. No? So we can see if talagang sincere itong pronouncements ng leadership this time na once the 10 and 5-day periods are exhausted, tuloy-tuloy na ang pag-proceed nitong impeachment trial.
Alright, maraming salamat, Attorney Michael Chu, Assistant Professor sa UP College of Law.
Thank you.